Welcome back, fam, to Bigfoot Cooks. Today we're making Shakshuka, a classic African dish. Let's dig in.
We need 6 medium tomatoes. Wash them well fair, then we'll boil them for 10 minutes.
Once boiled, peel off the skins so the sauce stays smooth.
Mash all 6 tomatoes into a chunky, rich base for the shakshuka.
We'll chop 1 medium onion and 4 garlic cloves for the base.
Now sauté everything in a bit of oil until golden and fragrant. Add all the tomato paste. Stir gently, then let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika, and a pinch of cumin.
3 eggs, 1 in each well. Be gentle so the yolks stay whole.
Cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes until whites are set and yolks still soft. Uncover and garnish with fresh herbs or basil. Our shakshuka is ready.
We'll toast a bit of bread because you have to scoop shakshuka with it.